Last year, my wife and I decided to do some gardening for the first time in a really, really long time. We both hadn't really done any gardening since we were teenagers or younger. So we built these rudimentary raised garden beds with some pallet wood, and they lasted, of course, just the one season, and they're falling apart. And I've made some repairs to them, but I made the decision to go ahead and build them a little bit more sturdy. So I have these two done, and we're working on the third one, and I might build a fourth one. I have the framework of the raised garden bed unscrewed. It's ready to be pulled away from the dirt. However, I'm going to go ahead and cut my pieces that I need. So my end pieces are 39 inches. So we're going to give a little mark here. And I put a little hash mark on the side that I want to put the blade to. So the edge of the blade will come right to this mark. And that's just how I like to mark stuff. Some people do it with an arrow, and some people do it other ways. So this is just how I like to do it. So I need a total of 4 end pieces because it's gone too high. And I just wanted to show you guys the way I made my mark. 39 inches on, right on. So there we go. And so I have 2 more to cut, and then this scrap, those are 8-footers. The scrap I have left over, I'm going to rip these, and then I'm going to put angles on them, and I'm going to use them for the corner supports. So these are 2x6s, and because I have to stack 2 of them on top of each other to get the height that I want for my garden, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some holes, and then I'm going to countersink some 6-inch screws to join them together. The screw holes will then end up on the bottom so that rain won't fall down in there and rust the head of the screw. I have all my pieces cut and screwed together as far as the height wise. Now we're going to go ahead and attach all 4 corners. And basically I have 2.5-inch screws that I'm going to put through one side into the ends. So it'll be corner screwed. Then we will get these posts. They will go in each corner and halfway, and then the boards will also get screwed to that. Corner posts are in on one side along with the middle support, and basically each board has 3 screws and it's screwed in on 2 sides. So 6 screws and 6 screws, and then this has 3 screws per board, so 6. And basically I got one more side to do. I'll throw a little bit more dirt in there, and then we'll talk to the wife, see if she wants a 4th one.